Hi everyone, welcome. In this video we're talking about how to securely transfer your XRP from KuCoin to Coinbase. Firstly, of course, log in into your Coinbase account, open the Coinbase app or visit the website. On the Coinbase dashboard, tap on Assets, search for XRP, which is also called Ripple, in the list and select it. After that, you need to tap on Receive, copy the XRP address, wallet address and destination tag. After that, log in into your KuCoin account, open their website and log in into your account. Go to the Assets tab. Let me just open up KuCoin as well so you can see. Select Withdraw. In the Withdrawal section, select XRP as the coin, paste your Coinbase XRP wallet address into the address field, enter the destination tag. It's required for XRP transfers, don't skip this. Input the amount of XRP you want to transfer. After that, double check the wallet addresses and destination tag to avoid mistakes. After that, complete the two-factor authentication, confirm and submit the transaction. After that, you're basically done. XRP transfers are generally fast, often taking 5 to 15 minutes. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation email from both KuCoin and Coinbase. And that's basically it. Guys, enjoy the video. If this helped, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.